अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी 50 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ रिलेटेड टू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। पीरा का जो जनरल नॉलेज पेपर है उसमें एआई को अलग से मेंशन किया गया था, इसलिए इससे रिलेटेड जो इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ बन सकते हैं वो आज ही इस वीडियो में आपके साथ शेयर किए जाएंगे। तो वीडियो को कंप्लीट लाजमी देखिएगा। टाइम को वेस्ट किए बगैर स्टार्ट करते हैं। हु इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? जॉन मैकार्थी। In which year was the term artificial intelligence coined? In 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. What was the original name of the Turing test? The Imitation Game. Which was the first AI programming language? IPL, Information Processing Language. Which AI programming language is most popular today for its vast libraries? Python. The AI winter refers to periods of reduced funding and interest in AI research. What does LISP stands for? List processing. Who proposed the Turing test? Alan Turing in 1950. Which generation of computer is associated with AI? Fifth generation. What is an expert system? A program that stimulates the judgment and behavior of a human expert in a specific field. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning. Which type of learning uses rewards and punishments? Reinforced learning. What is supervised learning? Learning from labeled data, input or output pairs. Which algorithm is commonly used for classification problems? Decision trees or support vector machines SVM. What is the primary function of an artificial neural network? To mimic the biological structure of the human brain to process data. Which algorithm is used by DeepMind's AlphaGo, reinforcement learning, Monte Carlo tree search? What is overfitting in ML? When a model learns the training data too well, including noise, and fails to generalize to new data. K means is an example of unsupervised learning clustering. What is the bias variance trade off? Balancing model complexity to minimize both underfitting and overfitting. What does NLP stands for? Natural language processing. ChatGPT is based on which architecture? GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Which company developed ChatGPT? OpenAI. What is generative AI? AI that can create new content, text, images, and audio rather than just classifying data. Google flagship AI model, formerly Bard, is now called Gemini. What does T in GPT stands for? Transformer. What is hallucination in AI? When an AI model generates confident but false or illogical information. Which AI tool is famous for image generation from text prompts? Midjourney or DALL-E? What is prompt engineering? The process of refining input text to get the best possible output from an AI. Which technology is used for sentiment analysis of tweets? Natural language processing NLP. In AI, PEAS stands for performance, environment, actuators, sensors. Which search algorithm is informed and uses a heuristic function? A search. Which algorithm is used for game trees like chess to decide the best move? Minimax algorithm. What is rational agent? An agent that acts to achieve the best outcome or best expected outcome. BFS breadth first search is guaranteed to find the shortest path. Yes, if edge costs are equal. DFS depth first search uses which data structure? Stack LIFO. What is heuristic? A rule of thumb or shortcut used to solve a problem faster. when classic methods are too slow? Which agent maintains an internal state to track parts of the world it cannot see? Model based reflex agent. The process of breaking an image into meaningful parts is image segmentation. What is fuzzy logic? A form of logic where variables can have any value between 0 and 1, not just true and false. What is AI bias? Prejudiced results produced by AI due to biased training data. Who is CEO of OpenAI? Sam Altman. Which term describes the fear of AI will eventually surpass human intelligence? Technological singularity. Autonomous vehicles primarily rely on which AI field? Computer vision. Which country recently passed the first comprehensive AI Act in the world? European Union. Deepfake uses which type of neural network? GANs, generative adversarial networks. What is transfer learning? Using a pre trained model on a new related task. Which company developed the Watson AI? IBM. The term robot was first used by which author? Karel Capek in the play RUR. What is computer vision? The field of AI that enables computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world.